Hello friends, welcome to another video. Today we are going to paint watermelon. So let's make a colorful watermelon. We'll color green, dark green, light green, divide this part into three colors. First we'll color with red, coloring is so fun. Next, we'll color with pink. Another part we are going to color with pink. And the top will color with orange color. And the seeds of the watermelon we are going to color with black. Ta-da! Our colorful watermelon is over. Hope you liked the video, enjoyed the video. Please do subscribe my channel and hit on the like button. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.